Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll help you get started with MeaVana. We'll look at what it has, how it can improve our productivity, and how we can utilize it in our day-to-day life, especially the side panel that works across the tabs that we want to work with. So it gets a lot easier once you understand. So I'll walk you through the demo. You'll land up in this page once you install it, and I'll just sign up with a new test user. So let me just create a test user. P IJ copy edit account. Okay, sign up. Okay, yeah, once user signs up, they'll have to either skip or enter to go through the onboarding process. So I'll hit enter. We have two modes, basically a minimal mode for users who is coming from Google directly to MeaVana. We don't want them to be distracted. So to get most out of MeaVana, I'd recommend to use full MeaVana. But for some users who wants to stick with their Google homepage view whenever you open a new tab, they can avail this mode. So for now, I'll go with full MeaVana. So as you can see in here, we have multi search bars and we have time displays. And as you can see in these screenshots, we have analog, dark mode, and then digital clock, and then this is age counter. So it tells us how many years old we are. So we can have different things in here. And then bookmarks, similarly we can have different things in here. You get to know once you use this. And then we have this sidebar with news feeds, notes, wallpapers, etc. So let me just pin some of these features. Whatever these selected ones are there, those are pinned. And I'll choose Gemini and some other, not waste time, and hit enter, and hit enter again. So we don't avail premium for now. As you can see, most of these items are pinned from this section to this section. This entire section is pinned by default. So I can use ChatGPT in my sidebar. So yeah, I mean, this is the dashboard. We have weather here, we have clock, and we can go through different options, and we can choose anything we want. Similarly, here also we have different options, and here also we have different options, and same here. So it is highly customizable dashboard, and similarly we have a sidebar with full of features. For example, we have news. Scratch is a bit of a note-taking app. It has notes to do, stickies, and whenever we create sticky, we can even add them in our dashboard, so that we always have this in the view and we can always get motivated from whatever we write here. And other than that, we have Google Apps, games, integrations. We can even play these games whenever we get bored while browsing. And we have integrations. These are the integrations that we can have our own integrations. We can use our own websites. Whatever the missed websites are here and we want them, we can add them, right? So this is pretty cool. And you might have this doubt in mind, like, what is the use case for it? It's still a new tab, and rather than clicking ChatGPT here, I can open my own new tab and go through that ChatGPT site itself, right? I get you, but there is more. For example, I'll go through some docs about OpenAI. So I have these docs, for example, image and vision, and I didn't understood this code base, right? This code base I haven't understood, so I want to like, let me just pin this. So this is MeaVana in the side panel. It walks with us whenever we browse through sessions and we browse through tabs. So I have my integrations here itself as a side panel. See, now I can ask it directly. Now I can ask it directly. Let me just copy paste this and ask it directly. Help me with this code base. So let me just open Claude Docs as well. See, this stays here itself. So I'll open web search tool. So it is doing its job, and I'm researching web search tool now until this gets summarized. So it got summarized. Now I want to also understand web search tool in this tab. So I'll drag and drop this link. I'll just explain. See, this is how easy it is once you get a hang of it. We can also use different kinds of apps. We have Spotify here, and we can add our own integrations, right? So yeah, that's side panel for us. And if you want to open side panel from the dashboard itself, you can click this link, that button, sorry. So yeah, for quick access you can use Control K or Command K on macOS. So here you find everything. And the minimal mode, like I said, right, if you want to go from full dashboard to minimal mode, you can always click this to go to minimal mode. Here you only have search bar and nothing else, but in full MeaVana you'll get to see different kinds of things. These are called topics, the background image, the code, everything changes daily. Okay, so every topic will have its own topic styling, so it gets changed daily. uh, if you want to have your own images, that is possible as well. Here you have MeaVana topics. If you don't want them, you can always search for different images and it will get the image that you want. If you want to upload your own images, that is possible as well. So videos and colors works the same. Alright, you can add your own world clock, whatever the time zone you want. This is the entire dashboard tutorial that I have. There's a lot more, but I'll let you explore um, and discuss with us. Thank you for staying around. Hope you have a great day.